What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon or good evening, depending on what time it is, where you live. And welcome to this video in which we're going to be covering Matic. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. What I usually do, and if you think that's valuable or interesting, make sure to subscribe. What I usually do is what we cover is we cover the news around a certain crypto in a video about a specific crypto, and we cover the price. I wanted to cover Matic because I'm a big fan of Polygon and a big fan of Matic. Matic is a token of Polygon. We'll call it Matic for now. I'm a big fan. It's one of my biggest holdings too. Quick disclosure. But I always try to cover this at least once a week, kind of depending on how the price moves. I could also cover this every day, but if the price is really volatile, for example. But usually it isn't. Sometimes it is. I mean, last 3 months we had these moves, for example. Then I cover it a little bit more. But so if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. Let's dive right in right now, though. Yeah, so today Matic has actually been pretty bullish compared to other cryptos as well. We're up about 6%. Volume is, I would still consider it fairly low. It's at 5.8% of the market cap. That's pretty low compared to other cryptos. If we're going to compare that real quick, for example, you're going to see Polygon all the way under Chainlink and Cardano, Luna Classic, kind of where it belongs still, but I don't know. I think the volume could be higher. But apart from that, I mean, it's an amazing project. Definitely for the long term. That's also why it's one of my biggest holdings. So if we jump over to the price, then what you can see is that my last analysis, I'd say, was pretty accurate. What I expected is that we would kind of consolidate between 80 cents and 75 cents. Well, you be the judge of whether that happens or not. I think so. It wasn't as volatile as I thought, but still. And then first week of October, I expected us to kind of get this breakout above 80 cents, followed by a break retest, which we kind of got. And then a move up to 84, 85 cents. So that is where we are right now. And now it gets really interesting. I think so, at least. Because now we hit a major resistance level. All right. So you can see right here, this 618 fib. It's just the lower bound or the lower area of this huge gray key area. And then you also have this trend line. So to me, I mean, you know me, I'm fairly bullish on Matic, but still I think we're going to get a little bit higher. Not even necessarily. I mean, that 618 fib is pretty strong too. But to me, we're going to stop in this level between 84.5 cents and 86 cents as a real maximum. And then from there, I expect us to drop down to 82 cents, find some support at 82 cents, and then drop down to 80 cents again. And for now, I do think 80 cents and like the top of this level is going to be able to hold. I think we'll consolidate between 85 cents ultimately and 80 cents ultimately, and then somewhere within the next week, I am expecting us to get a little bit more bullish and do something like this. It might be a little bit too bullish, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think we'll stay in this consolidation quite long. Like we might get up a little bit higher towards 88 cents and 87.5 cents. So breaking out above 85 cents, but I don't think we're going to be able to break above that yet. It kind of depends on what Bitcoin does, but I don't see it as possible in the next week. So yeah, quick summary. What I think is going to happen is I think we're almost reached our price target. I think we're dropping down to 82 cents, then later to 80 cents, then consolidate a little bit on top of 80 cents, then get up a little bit higher towards 87, 88 cents, and then continue that consolidation in this entire area. So obviously, if any big moves happens, if anything happens to Matic, basically I'll be back with more updates. But for now, that's my take and my updates on Matic. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I would like to thank you all for watching and listening. And obviously, I'd like to see you all tomorrow. Bye.